YouTube channel, dolls. If you're joining me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning. Today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to basically apply red lipstick like I've got on right now. I've been wanting to do this video for like the longest time. If you guys know me, you know that I absolutely love my red lips. So I decided to show you guys how to basically apply red lipstick. Very quick, very easy, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. And yeah, let's get into it. So guys, the two products that I went in with were the Fenty Beauty, which is in the shade Uncensored, and it is the Stunner Lip Paint, which looks like that. And then I went in with some Ruby Woo from MAC, and this is the Retro Matte Lipstick, which looks like so. So those are the two red lipsticks that I used. So guys, this is the finished lip look. I really hope you enjoyed it. It's super easy on how to create this, and yeah, I really hope you guys found it useful. I hope you found it easy, and give me some feedback in the description box below. I will link the two lip paints, the two lipsticks, sorry, in the description box below, so do check those links out, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye dolls.